Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix library not loading in Amazon Music. So if your app library is not loading, like songs, playlists or albums not appearing, it's usually due to network issues, app bugs or account syncing problems. So to fix the issue, actually guys, first you will need to check the internet connection. So just make sure your phone has stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection and try switching between the Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the library loads. Also guys, I do really advise you to refresh the app. So just close the Amazon Music completely, and to do that you will need to swipe up from the bottom of your phone and then just swipe away or swipe up the app. So that way you will close it completely and also remove it from the recent apps. And now just wait 10 to 15 seconds and reopen the app. Okay, so go ahead, reopen it and check your library. Okay, it may reload. Also guys, I really advise to log out and log back in. So just go ahead and tap on the icon or the profile icon that's located at the top left corner, as you can see, and then just go with settings option. Okay, it's the third last option, and afterward you will need to go and tap on sign out. Okay, so you will find it at the bottom of the settings menu. Okay, and then just sign back in. So this often fixes the sync issues. Also guys, you will need to check the account subscription. So some contents may only appear if your Amazon Music Unlimited subscription is active. So all you need to do is to go and tap on the profile icon, same one, and then tap on account option. It's the second last one. Okay, so here where you can find your unlimited subscription, and expired or free accounts may see a limited library. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.